Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome on Windows 10. Okay, so let's start. So guys, what you need to do, you have to open this link in your Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so the link is chrome://net-internals/#DNS. Okay, and guys, this link in the video description, you can check it out. So let me copy this link. Okay, let me minimize this file. Okay, so just open your Google Chrome web browser. You can see it's opened, and let me paste that link. Okay, you can see it's pasted, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. So let me do that. Okay, and here I have this DNS option selected. Okay, and here I have this host resolver cache. Okay, and here we have this button clear host cache. So what you need to do, you have to click on this. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, so it's now done, and after that guys, you need to go to this sockets. So let me click on this. Okay, and guys, you can also open this sockets, this page, by using this link. Okay, and guys, this link I will also paste that in this video description. You can check it out. Okay, and here we have this close idle sockets and flush socket pools. Okay, so you have to click on this close idle sockets. So let me click on this. It's done, and after that you need to click on this flush socket pools. Okay, and here we have this message, may break pages with active connections. Okay, so make sure you remember this. So let me click on this flush socket pools. So let me click on this. It's done, and after that you can close this this page. So let me close this. Okay, so it's now done guys, and after that you need to clear the cache in your Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so for that you need to click on this three dots at the top right, and then you have to click on this settings. Okay, and then you have to scroll down at the very bottom of this page. Okay, and then you have to click on this advanced, and here we have the privacy and security, and under this you need to scroll down and you need to click on this clear browsing data. So let me click on this. Okay, and here I have this pop-up of clear browsing data, this window, and here I have this basic tab already selected. Okay, so uncheck this browsing history by clicking on this box. Okay, you can see it's unchecked, and also uncheck this cookies and other site data. Okay, so let me uncheck this box by clicking on it. You can see it's unchecked, and here I have this cached images and files. Okay, so make sure this box is checked. Okay, you can see in my case it is checked, and here I have the message, frees up 3.1 megabytes. Some sites may load more slowly on your next visit. Okay, so this number might be different in your case. Okay, and here we have the time range. So just click on this drop down and select your time range. Okay, so I'm selecting all time. Okay, and then guys, you need to click on this clear data. Okay, so let me click on this, and it's now done guys. Okay, and after that you can close this this screen also. So let me close this. Okay, and guys, after that you need to clear the DNS cache on your system. Okay, so I'm using Windows 10, so let's do that. Okay, so let me minimize this file first. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you have to click on this search box and just do a search for CMD. Okay, and here we have this command prompt, this app. Okay, so just right click on this, and then you have to click on this run as administrator. Okay, so let me click on this, and here we have this command prompt opened with administrative privileges. Okay, and after that guys, you need to type this command ipconfig /flushdns. Okay, and guys, this command is also in the video description. You can check it out, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. So let me do that. Okay, you can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, and after that close this command prompt window. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily clear DNS cache in Google Chrome on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.